Stage 6 is the reconstruction and working through. This is the part where we gradually rebuild our lives. In order to reconstruct our lives and look at, okay, life is never going to be the same. What can I do to still find some kind of happiness in the day-to-day? How can I adjust to the new way of being? What are some new things I can bring into my life so as not to be stuck in the same cycle trying to fill that void or trying to fill that gap? And this is also a time where you can start to look at different processes to help that grieving, to help process those emotions and the stages, make more sense of what's happened and where you're at, and to help you go forward. The seventh stage of grieving is the acceptance and hope.